Hello, everybody. This is Hugo. Today I'm sharing one resource I've been using to design interactive activities to work with my students. You can play online, share, or print what you designed for your class. The website is WordWall, and you access very easy. You just type WordWall on the search box, press enter, and then you hit on the first link. Then you go to the login button. You select sign in with Google, and then you use the account that you want. To create an activity is very easy. You hit on the create activity button. You have up to 18 different templates to choose. I'm going to select random wheel. And to do this very quickly, I'm going to choose animals. I want that my students practice animals. So I enter the different options. As you can see, this is really fast. Um, and for this game, you have to add minimum 3 items. I'm going to insert another one. I forgot here the picture and then the picture here. Okay, so once I have my content done, I click on this button to start playing the game with my students. So you have two options: play the game, or you can print it. I'm going to play first to show you how it goes. You hit spin, and you can practice the spelling. You can practice different things according to your class. Then, as a real random wheel, once they discover or they practice, you can eliminate it and continue like that. The good thing that this website has is that you can choose different games and they change immediately the content with the same information that you just inserted previously. I'm going to tap number two and they can practice another game. For example, word search. So you have different options to play. If you want to print, you go to the printables PDFs option, and the website designs for you the template. You just download it to your computer, and for us, we can put it inside CISO, just attaching the document. So I hope you enjoy this website. This one is really cool to design interactive activities or games for our students. For example, this is random cards. Hit on the card, and they show us the content. I hope you enjoy. If you want extra information, I will be just ready for your help. Bye bye.